December 4th. We are in our 4th day of Vlogmas 2025, which means we need to make another stocking for our stocking yarn advent. It is so cold today. I think it's like 9 degrees right now, but the snow outside is so pretty. Let me show you. So much snow. My poor hammock. I did not get it moved in before the snow. Quite a few inches on the ground and not going anywhere. I already have my yarn picked out. I'm going to do something a little bit different like I did yesterday for this stocking. I'm going to make this stocking using 4 different yarns, and I kind of want to try to make it like a Christmas tree. So hear me out. Toe is going to be brown. We're going to work up in the V-stitch with some of the green until we get to the heel. I'm going to do the heel in red, work some more of the green to grow the stocking, and then at the top I have yellow. And that will kind of be like the star on the top of the tree. The green obviously is the tree, the brown is sort of the trunk, and the red just to add a little bit of color. My color palette for today's stocking. Let's see how this works up. I have already got some yarn picked out to put into it. I just have to make the stocking. I've got the toe done and worked up some of that green. Now it's time to put the heel on. I think I'm going to go ahead and weave these annoying ends in. That way they'll be done and I won't have to worry about it when I'm finished. Christmas tree inspired stocking. Perfect. Love the brown, the green, the red, and the yellow. Very happy with this one. Now we get to put some yarn in it for next year. The yarn that I picked is another Glimmer, I think, by Mary Maxim. It's sort of a mauve color, and then you've got that shimmer strand running through it. In the first day, I picked the blue version of this, and today we're going to go with this mauve color. So I need to wrap it up and then put it in the stocking. Yarn in the stocking. This one is quite full, but you can see those V-stitch mesh type pattern allows it to be stuffed full. So here is our Christmas tree inspired stocking for day number 4. I'm going to go put this one over with the other ones and start to think of what sort of color pattern I want to make tomorrow. If you're interested in making one of these stockings for yourself or a whole bunch like we're doing for Vlogmas, the video tutorial will be linked in this video down below, so check that out. It's super quick, easy, and you get a nice, cute stocking at the end. So that's all I have for Vlogmas Day 4. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!